Anna Griffin's Pretty Paintings card kit has everything you need to make 12 all-occasion cards with a painted floral look. And Anna gives you so much to choose from. Really, there are 108 pieces in this kit. Now here's the idea inspiration sheet, and also has some instructions, but here is an idea of using the cards that come in the kit to stack panels, to stack die cuts. There's even ribbon. All of that comes in here, 108 pieces. It's got ideas down on the bottom to show you ways that you can put this together. And really, it's up to you. Do whatever you like, but it's nice to have that inspiration sheet to show you the many different ways that you can put these together. Down at the bottom, she even gives you a tutorial of how to use the foam tape that comes with this kit and the foam stickers, and then you get getting started ideas, you get tips and techniques. So everything's right there for you. It's going to be really simple to make these really beautiful cards. And I'm going to start with what's called these layers. 12 layers, and they are just really pretty little panels, and they are single-sided, but they're ready to put right onto your card front, and with some fun little it really looks like a hand-painted look. So that's the thing of this kit. It looks like hand-painted. You're going to get 2 of each of these little panels in the different designs. So you'll have 2 to choose from for each one, and you're going to get 12 layers all together. And I really like the little, it's sort of a hand-drawn, hand-painted look, and they're going to go this way or they can go this way. It's up to you and what you choose for your cards. So if I decide that I like this one here, or maybe even this one, then I can make my choice, and then I can grab my cards, and there are 12 5x7 printed cards, and all I have to do is mount that right on the center. It fits perfectly, and then you can do it this way. Oops, I have 2 cards here, or you can turn it this way, whatever you like, and maybe you'd like to off-center it a little bit and do a little bit of interest there, and then just start adding your die cuts. So really fun that way. 12 5x7 printed cards. They're scored, they're already folded for you. When you open it up, it's got a sentiment on the inside. Hope you have the best birthday. Now there are 2 of each one of these. So that one says best birthday, so is this one. 2 of those, 2 of each design. But on the next one, pretty little new design look and a different sentiment. You are so kind. So these are all occasions, for all occasions. So you're going to be able to use these throughout the year. To the one I love. Now I'm noticing that all the sentiments are upright, and I said something about going this way. Probably wouldn't do that if all the sentiments are this way, so I have to say that I didn't look at every sentiment. So I guess we're going to find out in a minute. They might all have to go this way, but it's still a beautiful look, and it's going to work just fine because you are special to me. So you're going to get 2 of those, and here's another design. Love those intricate little tiny flowers. They're so sweet. Wishing you the happiest one yet. Hey, whatever it is, happiest what? So you can use that for more than one occasion. And you are so very thoughtful. So all of those, and they're going to fit with the envelopes perfectly. So you've got 24 envelopes to, 12 envelopes to go with the 12 cards and the 12 layers that go there. And then we can get into the other elements here. I'm going to start at the top, and you get a foam sheet. So these are foam squares, and they are self-adhesive on both sides. They're about 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch, and you can just peel it off the backing there, and then peel the backing off the front, and you'll be able to attach these wonderful die cuts. And that's why she supplied these, make it ready to go. But you've also got bows. There are 12 bows in 2 different colors, a green and kind of a brownish gold there. It's going to match these colors perfectly, and you could just zot them in place. They're already tied for you, so it's not a length of ribbon, it's a bow ready to go. And then you've got die cuts. Up here we have gold foiled die cuts, some really large scroll type pieces that are beautiful with some printing and gold foiling, and they are opposing, they're opposite. So you've got 1 of each design there. You've got a few of those, of each of those designs, and then these have some printing with the little flowers on one end and that gold foil. So really pretty, and choose 1, use 2, whatever you like. And then we get into the 24 let's see, those are the 24 die cuts right there. And then we have, oh, I'm getting into the, there we go, 24 3D stickers. Just beautiful. These gorgeous florals, 24 of them, all different shapes and sizes, and they are layered. That's why they're called 3D. So there's one on top of the other. They layered with foam tape. There's just a little bit of thickness there, and that gives you some added interest and texture. And on the back, they are stickers, so you're going to be able to peel off that backing and stick these in place, so that's nice. All different kinds, some roses, we have pansies here in a little spray, so that's really beautiful. Lots of different kinds of sprays and different shapes, so you can use these to place them wherever you want on your card, and you can surround the edges of your card, frame things with these. Large pieces, there are smaller pieces, smaller little flowers like this, little sprays like that. So 24 of those 3D stickers, that's pretty cool. And then 12 3D gold foiled sentiment stickers. So you've got one for each card here, and lots of different occasions. Just for you, thinking of you, best wishes, many thanks, happy birthday, sending good thoughts your way. So you've got something to add there, and it's just going to make a beautiful statement because these are 3D and gold foiled. You've got the foam taped on that centerpiece on this one, you can see. So it's a little bit of thickness. It's just a great look. Just a little bit of gold foiling around the edge. And it's a sticker, so you can peel off that back and you can go ahead and stick it on your card very simply. And that's with all of these. These are all the 3D foiled with the sticker on the back. Nice look. So that's quite a bit. 108 pieces in this kit. Anna makes it so simple to create elegant cards.